I have a large spreadsheet with lots of data on it that you need to zoom in and out to be productive. I'll show you 3 easy ways to zoom in and out to improve your productivity. Here we have a spreadsheet that is sample data of employees from around the world. And as you can see, it has lots and lots of data on it. So to be able to work with this data and read it and analyze it, I need to zoom in and zoom out to look at the different data fields. So to do that, the first way we can do that is if we come down here to the bottom right corner of our spreadsheet, you will see a slide bar with percentage of the view that you are seeing of that spreadsheet. Now I can actually click on the zoom and move it to the right, and it will actually zoom in on my spreadsheet so that I can see a particular cell or multiple cells to analyze the data. And then I can click on it and move it to the left, and I can actually zoom back out of the data. That way I can scroll on down through my data a little bit further. And now if I want to zoom back into the data again, I just simply slide the scale to the right to zoom back. So that is one way we can actually zoom in and out of the spreadsheet. If your mouse has a scroll button on it, you can actually press the control button on your keyboard, hold that down, and use your scroll button to zoom in to a certain area of the data that you want to see. And then you can press the control and zoom back out to a certain area of your data. So now you can scroll on down, zoom back in by pressing my controls scroll, and I can zoom back out and move on further down the data. If your mouse does not have a scroll button, you can actually do this with the keyboard also by pressing the Control key, the Alt key, and the plus key. You can actually zoom in. So you can press the plus key multiple times to keep zooming in to this, to see the area that you want to see. Once you see and do whatever you need to do in that area, you can now press the Control, Alt, and minus to zoom back out of that area and then move further down your spreadsheet and repeat the process again if you need to go to another part of your data. So there is 3 easy ways to zoom in and out of your spreadsheet. Again, that was slide using the slide bar at the bottom right corner of the spreadsheet. Number 2 was to use the control and your mouse scroll to zoom in and out, or by pressing the Control, Alt, plus, or minus on your keyboard. I encourage you to try zooming in and out in Excel on your own. Share your experiences in the comments below. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Here are some more videos that will help you to be more productive with Microsoft Excel.